First off, there is no judgment. The fact that I'm going to be crafting in loungewear. I'm going to say that instead of PJs, but we all know it's my PJs. This lovely silicone mold I found at Joann's, I believe. We are not going to be baking with this, but I think I need to get a second one now so I can actually bake with it, because this one will never be able to be used for food again because I'm putting Gap and Crack filler, great stuff, in there. And don't fill it all the way up. And this was just on a hunch. I didn't know if this was going to work. I was kind of nervous I was going to ruin the whole thing. So let that sit for 24 hours and then watch this, you guys. It just comes out. There's barely anything like any residue. Now, I will say I've done this a couple times now and it doesn't stay super like smooth. It does get some like little wrinkles and stuff, but that adds to it. It's so much fun. I cannot wait to craft a whole bunch with all of these foam skulls now that I've made. This is so much fun. What